Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is just gonna be a video about a pretty common issue, it seems, that I've seen people discussing about OBS, the recording software, and it's actually an issue I had myself when I first started using it, which was today, in fact. And I finally figured out how to fix it, and it's the issue of when you open a source and you attempt to record your screen, it just shows a black screen. And I tried multiple ways to fix it, couldn't figure it out. But yeah, basically it was just showing a black screen. And as far as I saw, a lot of people were actually having that issue. And eventually, I finally found out how to fix it, and it was with a lot of digging around on multiple forum websites, uh, OBS's website itself, and I finally found the way to fix it, and it was actually posted, I think, on the OBS forums by a developer named Jim or something like that. So, shout out to Jim for fixing that problem, because very helpful, man. Thank you. But no, I just thought I'd make this video to make it a little easier for anybody who ran into that issue as I did, so they don't have to go through like 4 hours of searching and digging and frustration to finally be able to record. So basically, your first step is actually not to go onto OBS itself, but you're going to want to go to, oh, here, let me show you what I'm talking about, first of all. Basically, this is showing my screen right now. That's why it has, like, so many layers. You can see, like, the screen over and over again. It's because it's recording my screen. It's recording everything that's on here. But before, my issue was that this entire thing was black. It wasn't recording my screen, it was just showing a black screen. It would record audio, but just the visuals were just completely black, which obviously is not helpful when you're trying to make a video. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to start it off, you're going to want to go to Start on your desktop, go to Settings, then search up on, I'm just going to go to Find a Setting, just go to Graphics, Settings, alright, click Classic App, and then you can browse. I already have it saved on here, but if you need to, just browse and find the OBS Studio, this OBS Studio app. You're gonna have to go into browse most likely to find it, but I already have it pre-saved on here because I already did this. So basically, when you find it, click on OBS Studio, but right-click it. Don't left-click. Make sure you right-click. Oh, actually, no, don't right-click. My bad. Left-click. Go to Options, and then when you get here, and this is only for Windows 10 and higher, if this still works for higher. I mean, I don't know if it's going to work for versions after Windows 10, but this is purely for Windows 10 users. If you are wanting to use, what's it called? If you're wanting to use, I believe it is, yeah, display capture. If you're wanting to use display capture, then click power setting, or power saving, sorry. Click power saving. And if you're wanting to do game capture, then click high performance, I believe. I'm not too sure about the game capture part, but I know for a fact if you're trying to do display capture, which is what I think is best because it doesn't just do games. If you're wanting to do display capture, which I would suggest, then click power saving, and that's it. After that, you shouldn't be running into that issue anymore. And it sounds crazy. It sounds like that is really simple. It doesn't sound like that should be it. But I thought the same thing, and then I went on here and it worked. So, yeah, I went on and I saw that it was recording, everything was fine, and that issue was resolved, and it was really helpful. So, that's it. That should solve your issue, and if not, then comment down below, and I'll see if maybe I described something wrong or went through the steps incorrectly. Maybe I forgot something, but that should be the full tutorial of how to fix that issue. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. See you guys.